Okay, this is the Glencoe Course 2, Volume 1. We are in Chapter 2, Lesson 7. This is all about finding discount today. As you can see, we have two vocabulary terms, so we're going to go ahead and get those down first, along with our heading. All right, the first term is discount, and it is given with markdown, and they really mean the same thing. They are an amount by which the regular price of an item is reduced. So let's put that in normal people terms. It is an amount of money subtracted, right? Reduced means subtracted from a price. So usually this is something is on sale, something is on clearance, in order to find the discount. So today we're going to just practice calculating discount on these items. Okay, example 1, it says a DVD normally costs $22, so that's full price. This week it's on sale for 25% off. What is the sale price of the DVD? Okay, well, let's figure it out. We're using percents for this. We are allowed to use our calculators for this. So I am going to figure out what 25% of my price is, and then I'm going to subtract it from that price. So your percent is a decimal times 22 gives you a discount amount of $5.50. So what did we just do? We found the part, right? Or the discount amount. Then we're going to subtract it from the whole. So again, using those same variables that we used from the percent equation and the percent proportion. 22 minus $5.50 gives you a sale price of $16.50. So that's your sale price. So you're doing a multiplication problem, and then you're doing a subtraction problem for this. All right, A, you've got a $42 shirt that is 15% off, and we are finding the sale price. Give you a minute, see if you can figure it out. Pause the video, come back for an answer. Okay, the answer to A is $35.70. If you did not get that correct, okay, I want you to circle it and ask about it tomorrow. Example 2, we've got a boogie board that has a regular price of $69. We have a sale of 35%. DISC stands for discount. And we have 7% tax, so we are adding another thing in here. I have to calculate the discount before I can add the tax on. So I'm going to write that down. Calculate sale price, then find tax and add, right? Because tax is an amount that's added on. Okay, 69 times 0.35 is $24.15. So that's the discount. I have to subtract that off. So 69 minus that 24.15 is 44.85. Then I'm going to times that by my tax amount, 0.07, to get a tax amount of $3.14. Always, well, it's 3.1395, but we always round to the nearest cent. So I already have my sale price and my tax amount. Now I need to add those back together. That's the last step. 44.85 plus 314. I get $47.99 with my discount taken off, but then my tax added back on. Okay, do B. You have a CD that's $15.50. It's on sale for 25% off, and it has 6.5% tax. So you need to find, follow the same exact steps. Pause, compare your answer. All right, for B, you should have gotten $12.38. You didn't, circle it. We'll talk about it tomorrow. And example 3. A cell phone is on sale for 30% off. If the sale price is $239.89, what was the original price? Well, I'm going to use the percent equation to solve this. And in order to use the percent equation, you have to understand the concept. If something is 30% off the original price, that means the portion that I'm paying is 70%. I'm paying 70% of that original price if I'm taking 30 off, okay? So in my percent equation, where the part equals the whole times the percent, the sale price is the part that I'm paying. So $239.89 equals the whole, that's what I don't know, times 70, which is 0.7, okay? Same thing. This is a one-step equation, right? I know that looks a little goofy. Let's rewrite that so it looks normal. 0.7W equals 239.89. All right, I'm dividing both sides of the equation by 7/10 in my calculator, of course. When I do that, I get W equal to $342.70. Okay, now I was looking for the original price. Is the price that I got more than the price that I paid? Yes, so that's just one way of error checking, that you divided by the correct numbers and that you put everything in the right place. All right, following those same steps, C, I want you to see if you can find the original price. If the sale price of the cell phone was $205.50. So same thing, still 30% off, but now the sale price was $205.50. Pause your video, do the math, come back for an answer. All right, the answer to C is $293.57. If you did not get that to correct, I want you to circle, and we'll definitely go over those tomorrow because those are a little harder for kids to grasp. All right, final example is example 4. Clothes R Us and Ratcliffe's are having sales. At Clothes R Us, a pair of sneakers is on sale for 40% off. At Ratcliffe's, the same brand of sneakers is discounted by 30% off, and it's $40. Which store has the better sale price? Okay, so we're comparing two things. We've got Clothes R Us and we've got Ratcliffe's. At Clothes R Us, we've got 40% off of 50. And at Ratcliffe's, we have 30% off of 40. All right, I keep telling you guys about Kohl's and how they're misleading. This is a good example right here. They have the bigger percentage off, but they have the lower price to begin with. So let's see who actually has the cheaper pair of shoes. Okay, 40% of 50 is, oops, that's not right, $20. So minus 20, you get a sale price of $30. In order to find 20, I did 0.4 times 50, right, as a decimal. Here, I'm going to do 0.3 as a decimal times 40. That is, should be 12, but let me double check my math. Yep, $12 off. So I'm going to subtract $12 here to get a sale price of $28. Now, there's my proof. There's my work. What's the question? Which store has the better sale? Ratcliffe's has the better sale. Because ... right? You've got your work to back up your answer. All right. D, Clothes R Us is 50% off. Now, which store has the better buy? And can you explain that information? So pause it, rework the math. Ratcliffe's is going to stay the same, and see if the answer changes. All right, now Clothes R Us has the better deal for D, because 50% of 50 is $25. So Clothes R Us at $25 is now the better deal. If you're not sure how to do that, circle it. We'll go over it tomorrow. Same as usual. All right, as the rest of your assignments, I want you to do one through 4 on page 163. So that's not the guided practice this time. That is off the independent practice textbook, page 163. I want you to do 1 through 4. Upload your answers in a document, upload a picture of your work to me, and submit on Google Classroom. See you tomorrow.